Good afternoon. 2:41, Friday, February 23rd, Hermitage, Tennessee. Quick test again, testing the ability to do a Zoom recording to a local computer, upload that to YouTube, and have YouTube generate the transcripts, closed captions. This would be a way that if you want to record your Zoom, you don't necessarily have to have it sent out to a transcribing service, unless, of course, you consider YouTube to be one, but you don't have to send that to a paid transcribing service. And you don't have to have anybody in the Zoom meeting with you while you are talking and their little fingers are busy typing it all in. I believe this is viable. I think we found a way to do it. I'm going to test it. If it works out, then the method itself will be explained fully. Thanks for watching.